Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 9.1 question number 14. Our question is, a 1 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line. So this diagram is also given. So let me draw once again for the better understanding. So there is a girl standing, her height is 1.2 meter is given. Now from here she is spotting a balloon, so that is moving horizontally. So from here to here the balloon is moving. So the dot I kept it for balloon only. Now the height of the balloon from the ground is 88.2. That means, so this is our ground now. From the ground the balloon is a height of 88.2 is given. From the ground the height is 88.2. Now if you are drawing a line, with her eyes only she will be looking into. So this is a eyesight actually. From here only she is going to look the balloon. So her angle of elevation is given as, here two angles are given. So one is, here they have mentioned clearly, one is 30 degree, one is 60 degree. So the first balloon she is looking into, first time when she is looking into the balloon it's 30 degree. Again the same balloon is due to the wind the balloon is coming here. Again she is looking into the balloon. That time the angle was 60 degree. That is given in the question. Now the first thing what we should do is, the height of the balloon from the ground it is 88.2, but from her eyesight we need to find out. So from this area we need to find out. For example, this is A, B, C, D and E. Let us take it now. From here AB value I want to find out, but AC is given as, AC is 88.2 actually. From this 88.2, here ED is 1.2 means definitely the BC also 1.2 only. That is a height of that girl. Now we need to find the AB. So the 1.2 we have to subtract from this 88.2. So from 88.2 we are subtracting 1.2, we are getting 0.78. So the height of this place AB is 87 only. So whenever now we are going to apply the trigonometric ratios, that time for this triangle the opposite side is only 87, not 88.2. So only this is our triangle. So this 88.2 you should not use. That is the thing you must know that. Again this one you can join here. This is 87 means here also it will be 87 only for this triangle. For the second triangle, the first triangle name is ABE. So let us write it now. In triangle ABE, in this triangle ABE our angle is 30 degree. So we can apply tan theta, because tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. From this is a theta, our opposite side is AB and our adjacent side is EB. So here this one we don't know what is the length between the balloon and the spotted place. Let us consider this line as X now, and this one let us consider as Y. From here this is a point we are getting. Let us consider this is O. Now listen, tan, in the place of theta we have 30 degree. Write the 30 degree now, which is equal to AB place. AB we are getting 87 by EB value we have taken as X. The whole is X. So we have taken X. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3, which is equal to 87 by X. So do the cross multiplication. So X is equal to 87 root 3 we are getting. So let us take that is our first equation. Now let's go to the second place now. So here we can take any variable EF. Now we'll take the small triangle, this triangle. The triangle name is FEO. So in triangle FEO, any alphabet you can take it by yourself. Again the tan theta, but in the place of theta we have the whole 60 degree. So tan 60 we should apply. Again the opposite side, again the same height it will be 87, because the balloon is moving in a horizontal way. It will be maintaining the same distance with the ground. So 87 will be this one. Now we need to find this place. So this let us take it as Y. Only the EO we are going to take it as Y. So here we have to take it as Y. Tan 60 degree value root 3 from the table. 87 by Y we can take it. Now Y value we want. So take this Y to this side. So y is equal to 87 by root 3 we are getting. Now actually our aim is to find the value of the distance the balloon moving. Only from O to B distance alone we want. This distance they are asking. What is the distance covered by the balloon they are asking. So what we should do is from the x value we have to subtract the y value because x is nothing but EB. From this EB we have to subtract the CO. So x minus y we need to find out, that is the distance covered by the balloon actually. Now we got what is x and what is y. Now actually the distance covered we need to find out. So the distance covered by the balloon you can write it. Now we can write x minus y. We need to find the x minus y now. Now let's subtract x and y value. In the place of x we have 87 root 3 minus y value 87 by root 3 we are getting. Now children we have two ways. Either first we can take the LCM or we can subtract, or this 87 by root 3 we can go for the rationalization, we can find the value then can be substituted. So here I want to just to do the rationalization for 87 by root 3 can be simplified as multiple by root 3 divided by root 3. Now this is 87 root 3 by 3. Root 3 into root 3 will give you 3. So 87 and 3 it will be cancelled. So 2 3s are 6, balance 2, 9. So 29 root 3 we are getting. So 87 by root 3 is nothing but 29 root 3. So here we are getting 87 root 3 minus this 87 by root 3 only we simplified, we got it 29 root 3. Now from these two we can take the root 3 outside. So 87 minus 29 root 3. So we can subtract these two. We are getting 58 root 3 because the question is given in meter. The answer also will be in meter. So this is the distance covered by the balloon in a particular time. That's all students. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.